Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Twitch TV and it only takes a couple of minutes. First, you will need to use the Brave browser. If you don't have it already, just pause this video and install it. It's free. Once you have Brave open, just search for the uBlock origin and go to the official website. From there, click the button that says Get uBlock origin and add it to Brave. After it's installed, we need to change few settings. Click on the uBlock icon in your browser, then click the settings icon to open the dashboard. Inside the settings, look for an option that says I am an advanced user and check that box. Right next to it, you will see another settings icon and click on that. This will open up a new page with a lot of text. Now just go all the way to the bottom line and paste in the codes I have put in the description below this video. After you paste it, click apply change at the top. Next, go to the My Filters tab. In that box, paste the second set of lines from my video description. Once that's in, just hit apply change again. And that's it. You are all done. Just close that settings tab. Now, open Twitch TV. You should be able to watch your favorite streamers completely ad-free. Make sure video call is set to 1080p, otherwise ads are appeared. I really hope this quick guide helps you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching.